Mom's birthday. It's Mom's birthday today and Daddy. Okay. So later on, we're gonna give the gifts. No, it's not our intro. It's not our intro. Okay. Later we're gonna surprise Mommy. Okay, Mommy is here. Okay, give me the gifts. First item. Give the second item.
Makanin pa ba dyan? Kaya na, di ba?
I'm gonna give this to Mommy. Yung maliit kay maliit bibili ito kay Mommy.
Dami lang yun. Okay na ba yung mga boto? Kaya ako nga ito yun para ka malagay at baka matapon na pa.
Hindi ito natapon. Hindi ko talaga
Gravy kasi. Para safe.
Mommy, after we go out, let me give you the gifts that classmates told me. First one, Sheena.
Happy birthday po, Tita Mary. From Sheena. Thank you, Sheena. I got your letter, birthday letter.
Next is Sophia's.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace. From Sophia, ako po, classmate nito. Dear Tita Grace, happy birthday at thank you sa pag-picture sa amin ng Christmas party. From Sophia for Tita Grace. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you. How about you, Tony? Where's your letter? Tony, where's your letter?
Hindi niya nagawa. Happy birthday lang din. I'm gonna make a gift. Look, guys. Look. There. I bite it. What? I bite it. I bite it. Just plastic. This is good. I mean, a ball like this. I am so full.
Kasi wala lang. Wala lang.
I'm so full. Let's go to Quantum. Mommy, Quantum. Okay. Mommy, let's go to Quantum. Okay. Thanks for a second. Mommy, Quantum. Thank you for Ate Sophia and Ate Shima. My mom's birthday.
I-gift ko na to, Sige, saan yung gift mo sa akin?
Di ba nasa bahay, tinago ko?
Ate, how are you? your classmates give me letters, and then my own daughter did not create a letter.
I did.
Tomorrow.
Huh?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? One, two. One, two.
Ay, lalakad na tayo. Birthday ko. Kasi yun yung birthday. Okay?
I'm not for now.
May birthday ko ngayon.
So sa park tayo maglakad.
Ulan kasi.
Hindi, hindi mo na.
Hindi na naglabas ako kahapon.
Kalaptak ulan. Kahit anong oras na maglagabi, okay na. Dahil summer na yun eh. Yeah. Grilled pork. Pork. Rice or spaghetti. Or french fries.
Anyone I do.
Pabili ano, fish cake.
Ang ganda ng ano. Ako yung mga matasan na susunod na ganda.
Ano bang kanina?
Ako din yung Ateneo. Ganda kasi ang Ateneo ko sila naman pa yan. Mahal ko yung Ateneo sa nasa. At syempre,
Ano bang kanina dito?
yun nga, sarap ko sa Manila lang. Hindi ko lang yung branch.
Kanina yung Cavite.
Ano yung branch na kasi uso na kasi
Meron na yun.
Alasan lang meron na lang.
Sa Cavite.
Dito sa Laguna meron na lang.
Layo pa rin.
Malaki ate. Sila dun sa Cavite, may dasa mga branch. Malaki yung last na yung lasay sa dasa. Nangyari sa'yo, Cassandra. Ganyan.
Are you full? So nice in your tummy. Oh my god, it's so warm and so full. Drink some water. No, it's not water.
UP, Rizal, saka Papua.
Bye bye guys.
Bali, yung may malaki, yung ano niya, naabot ng 50 eh. Kada semester, tapos pero
If it's 10 minutes, okay. If it's 9 minutes, give it to me now. Okay, in 9 minutes. Oh, kiss the back. Show your whole face. Why are you like that? Look here. Look here. Okay, here. Okay. It's 9.
pero syempre, magandang
Photoshoot.
hindi naman niya nalalayo. Kasi sa dami ng school
Why did you burp like that? I didn't
Hindi siya naman
know.
mula sa top 10. Problema lang kasi sa
Your face.
ano naman, pero nakapalulog din naman sila.
Cassandra's in the back. I mean, Cassie's in the back.
Hindi lahat ako provided.
And I'm gonna put this one right here. If you see Cassandra, subscribe. Okay, bye.